everybody. Hello everyone. It's your favorite girl, Debbie, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back guys. Welcome to have you guys here again. You know, I'm so excited about today's video because today's video is something we haven't done in a while, and you guys know whenever I satisfy any of my cravings, like the excitement, all of a sudden I became a foodie. I don't know what happened, but right now I so much love food. So before I continue, if this is your first time here, thanks for joining the family. I give you a big warm welcome. My name is Debbie Omas, but you can call me Debbie. And you know how okay, so you guys don't know how we do it over here because this is your first time, but then you're going to know how we do it over here with time. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop nice comment, and the most important one, don't forget to click on that share button. Click on it right now and share to your family, your friends, your loved ones, and everybody. So guys, back to the gist. I've been craving vegetable soup for a while now. It's over a year. I'm a year plus right now in Canada, and since I came to this country, guys, I have not had vegetable soup. I have craved and craved and craved and craved and craved. So finally today, since I'm free, today is cooking day. I've made a lot of food today already. I've made beans and plantain. I'm going to make ofada sauce, French toast. Someone to make vegetable soup, and I'm like, okay, let me carry you guys along because I'm sure a lot of people that because I spoke to my dad a few hours ago. I'm like, Daddy, since he came here, have you eaten vegetable soup? He's like, he made it one time, but he didn't like it because he used the dry leaf. Because I've been thinking of how to make vegetable soup using, because you guys too don't have water leaf here, and they will not have pumpkin leaf, which is ugu. So my dad said when he made this egusi soup, sorry, what am I saying egusi soup? Vegetable soup. He used the dry pumpkin leaf he had, and that was the only leaf they used. And I'm like, no, because the reason I haven't made this is because I don't want to use dry leaf. It's not vegetable soup if it's dry leaf. So I am making fresh leaf vegetable soup. See guys, don't forget to emphasize on the Nigeria vegetable soup today. And there's no other better way to do it without you guys, my family. So come with me. I'm already in the kitchen. No need of coming. Just come and join me as we make Nigeria fresh vegetable soup. As you know, I don't have fresh pumpkin leaf and fresh water leaf, but I'll be improvising. I have turned to Miss Improviser since I came to this country. Guess the leaf I'm going to be using. Guess. So I'm going to be using baby spinach leaf, and the second leaf I'm going to be using is actually my first time using this leaf, guys. I've been using baby spinach since I came here, but I have never used this leaf, which I'm going to call the name soon. So it's my first time, and I'm happy I'm doing this together with you guys, because whenever I do something for the first time, I want to do it with you guys. So don't forget to drop your reviews, your great comments, and all that. Tell me if I tried, if it looks great. Of course, my food always yummy. I'm going to show you a video of the food beans and plantain I have made. My food always yummy. Tell me what you think about it. And if you're also in diaspora with me and you've been craving vegetable soup, why not? You can use my recipe and try it. Before we continue, I'm going to show you guys my recipe and everything. So the second leaf I'll be using to add to the baby spinach is kale. K-A-L-A, kale leaf. I hope I get that pronunciation. So that's the second leaf I'm going to be using. And without saying much, let's get down to business because I'm hungry. The first thing first is to put on my apron. So I'm going to be wearing my apron. So, you know, I'm in the kitchen. And after that, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients which I'll be using for this soup. Come with me. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. These are my ingredients. Everything I'm going to be using. So let's start with this. Over here, this is my crayfish, my grounded crayfish. This is my seasoning, my Cameroon pepper. I'm just adding a little because I have been told by my doctor to stay away from spicy food, which is very hard for me. This is my blended onion, and I just added one seed of pepper. It's very hard. I love pepper, but right now I can't eat pepper. So this is my stockfish. I usually boil my stockfish first, um, because I noticed that this stockfish here has a lot of salt in it. Like you don't just put it direct. If not, I'm avoiding salt. I've been told to stop eating much salt. So this stockfish is already boiled so that I can throw away the water, reduce the salt in it, so it doesn't add much salt to my food. Now over here is my meat. So I'm using chicken, beef, and chicken gizzard. So I'm using two different meat. I wanted to use assorted meat, but I'm saving my assorted meat from our father's sauce. So I'm like, okay, let me just use the gizzard. Let me add the gizzard to the beef. I'm like, okay, why don't you just add chicken? So I'm using these three meats. So this is my baby spinach. It has already been prepped and washed. I washed it thoroughly and I have cut it. But then this is my kale. I haven't done anything to eat yet. After making my beans, I said to just go shower and take a break. So I'm going to prep my kale now and cut it. It's a lot because guys, I went to the store and I saw where they're like $2 for $5. I'm like, okay, $2 for $5. I just grabbed two. Even my baby spinach is also a lot because it was also $2 for $5. And then this is my palm oil. The only thing that is missing right now is locust beans. I couldn't find locust beans. Like I walked around the store. I'm like, oh, no locust beans. So I'm gonna make it like that. So this is everything I'll be using for my vegetable soup, guys. So because of I have a lot of vegetables, I'll have to use a big pot for this. Let's start. So guys, I'm done prepping my kale leaf. I had to do it off camera because if there's to be honest, if there's anything I hate the most when cooking is prepping my vegetables. I hate so much. I wish I could skip that part a lot. Because first of all, you have to wash your vegetables like your life depends on it. And then you have to slice it to the size of your choice. Like I remember when I was a little bit, I was still little, cooking with my mom, and then you have to mind where you cut vegetable because there's a way you cut vegetable and she's going to be like, is this you want this to be like meat in the food? So I hate prepping my vegetables. So I'm done with my kale leaf and my big pot is out for action. So
My
guys,
boyfriend came to distract me. I think he was hungry and just to check on the food.
Hey, what's even play?
my pot, this is my big pot and it's ready for action. So guys, let's start. First, I'll have to put in my meat and my meat stock, and then just you guys know how vegetable soup is done. Don't like when you make a good stew or one of those, you have to start stressing yourself and frying it and frying bobo to bowl, all the orishish and the rest. This one just your vegetable soup is just straight to the point, so you don't need to stress yourself and all that. So now let's get down to our action because in less than 20 minutes, guys, food is ready. Then I'm going to make. Then I should make gari or pando. I don't know what I'm going to use yet, or we'll decide. But let's start. Time no day. Time no day. First and first, I'm gonna be putting my meat back to my pot. This is my chicken meat and gizzard chicken gizzard, whatever it's called. Then I'm gonna be adding little of my meat stock back to it. I don't want to use all my meat stock, so I'm gonna stir it. Wait for a while before proceeding. So now I'm adding the stockfish to it. My stockfish is already boiled, so I don't want to add much. So I decided to add my crayfish, my blended onion and pepper to it. I'm also adding a little of my Cameroon pepper. Guys, this is really hot, like directly from Cameroon. This pepper is from Cameroon. So I'm going to stir for a while before I put in my crayfish. I just want to stir and make sure everything goes in well. Oh my god, guys, I wish you guys can perceive this already. Ooh, I feel like eating it right now. Food is not ready, but I want to start eating. Smell the aroma, It's on a different level. Tasting time. So good. We'll leave it to boil for a bit. So now it's boiling out. I'm going to put in my crayfish. I love crayfish so much. So much. So I think I'm also going to add in my seasoning cube so I can put in my palm oil next. I'll stir this up. I think it's all boiled now. Just see how we are doing so I can put in my palm oil right now. Okay. Oh. Guys, the Cameroon pepper in this thing, upon it's just small Cameroon pepper I added, but I can perceive it. I don't like putting a lot of palm oil in my vegetable soup, so I'm just measuring it so I don't put a lot. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm not a fan of so many palm oil in my vegetable soup, so I think that will do. Then we'll still allow this to boil a bit before I put in my kale leaf first and other things. Okay guys, so our soup is boiling, but there's someone here who wants to say hi.
Hi everybody.
Okay,
I enjoy your cooking.
so now it's time to add our kale leaf. I just tried it and it tastes really nice, babe. So this tastes really good. Now let's put in our kale leaf. Oh my god, yeah, I'm doing the magic. So I'm just going to put this and let it to shrink in. Let it to shrink in before I put any other thing. It's time to check on our food. Let's see how the leaf has gone down. Okay, it's reducing. So I hope it's clear enough. Yeah, you guys can see it. Now you guys have seen everything has gone down. Like the leaf I was even saying, oh god, it's going to fill the pot. Everything has gone down. So it's time for us to put in our baby spinach. Let's add in our baby spinach. Okay. Guys, vegetable soup is ready and it tastes exactly how I want it to taste. So I think this has boiled enough. Look at the face. I like how it looks. Like I didn't want much oil and all that. Food is ready. I'm so excited. Excuse me. So now I'm going to turn this off and go relax. Ooh. So guys, thank you for sticking this far. Food is ready. I already brought my broom and packer. It's time for cleaning, and I'm going to have my beans first. I'm going to show you guys a video of my beans now, so you can see how yummy and attractive that look. I'm going to have my beans, then relax and have my swallow. That's my vegetable soup and swallow for dinner. And I'm so excited you're able to watch this far. Please don't forget to drop your comments, reviews, like, share, subscribe. Until the next time, I'm going to be making lots of Nigerian dishes, and I promise my next video I'm going to tell you guys the reason why I'm going to be making lots of Nigerian dishes from now henceforth. So again, if this is your first time here, thanks for coming and thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for watching this far, and I will see you guys in my next video. I remain your favorite girl, Debbie. Kisses.